Hi, my name is Brendan Bohan, and I'm a Solutions Engineer here at SingleStore. In previous videos, we got you set up ingesting data, creating your first table, and tinkering with our notebooks feature. Today, we are going to start the mini-series of search tactics within SingleStore. With the boom of AI, it is imperative to have a platform that can search your data quickly and accurately. This episode is vector search in SingleStore. The first thing we need to define is, what is a vector? SingleStore supports a native vector data type, which is basically an array holding floating point numbers of high dimensionality that represent text, images, video, audio, etc. Now, what is vector search? A typical vector search locates the set of vectors that most closely match a query vector. Vector database searches find data based on its content or meaning, even without exact matches. For example, a natural language query without machine-readable language. In our example, we will use dummy vector embeddings, but you can use embeddings ranging from GPT models by OpenAI, BERT by Google, Llama by Meta, the list goes on. As always, you're going to want to navigate to the Data Studio on the left. And here, there are two ways you can follow along. Create a new blank notebook, or import the notebook from the description below. I'm going to import from a file on my local system. Click the Vector Search Tactic notebook, then click Import. From there, we will make sure we choose the correct workspace and database. In this notebook, we will first create our table, but making sure we use the native vector data type. We will pass 4 as our dimensions parameter. The higher the dimension, the higher the accuracy. After, we will first insert some dummy data utilizing variables just to show how to get the data in. Then we will do a simple insert into statement with the other vectorized inputs. The way SingleStore reads and outputs vectors is in binary format by default. To make it more human readable, we will change it to JSON. Now onto the actual searching. We cast a sample query vector to vector data type to make sure it's not unintentionally seen as a varchar or other kind of data type. We do 2 types of searching here, dot product and Euclidean distance. A typical query using dot product is to find a set of vectors that most closely match a query vector. The closer the similarity to 1, the more accurate the match. On the flip side, a typical query using Euclidean distance, lower values indicate higher similarity. So we order by descending order for dot product and ascending order for Euclidean distance. Finally, in a recent release, we added vector range search, which allows users to query for vectors which have a similarity score beyond a specified threshold. In our case, either higher than 0.7 score or lower than 0.25 score for Euclidean distance. This allows the ability to use KNN and range searches to get accurate results even faster. Finally, I will briefly touch upon indexing as we will explore these further in later videos, but you can add an index to your vectors to speed up the queries. Something useful when you have hundreds to thousands of dimensions across many millions to billions of rows. Now, this is of course not a comprehensive list, but it gives you a visual to work through and a general understanding of how vector search works. In the next video, we will work through full text search. Get creative, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to speak with the team.